Unlocking the phrase, seek after. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the phrase, seek after. By the end of this video, you'll fully understand its meaning and know how to use it like a native speaker. Let's get started. When we take the words, seek, and after, individually, seek means to search for, try to find, or ask for something, and after generally refers to a sequence or following something. But when these two words combine to form the phrase, seek after, they take on a slightly different meaning. Seek after often means to pursue or desire something with eagerness. It implies that someone is making an effort or showing a strong interest in obtaining or achieving something. For instance, if someone is seeking after knowledge, it means they are passionately pursuing knowledge. Understanding is easier with examples. Here are a few. 1. Many people seek after success, but it requires hard work and determination. 2. He is always seeking after new adventures, never content with the ordinary. 3. In ancient quests, knights would seek after the Holy Grail. It's essential to know the common mistakes to avoid them. 1. Don't interchange seek after with look after. Look after means to take care of someone or something. 2. Context is crucial. Saying, I seek after shoes, might sound odd. Instead, use specific desires or intangible things like seeking after wisdom or seeking after peace. There you have it. The phrase, seek after, is all about passionately pursuing or desiring something. We hope this video sheds light on how to use this phrase correctly and confidently. Remember, language is an exciting journey, and every phrase you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Until next time, keep seeking after knowledge and happy learning.